Hundreds of people flocked to the Spanish Town railway station in St. Catherine this morning in great anticipation of a train excursion as part of the Emancipation Day celebration. But many were left disappointed. Our reporter Sandy Williams was there and filed this report.
It's the first train excursion on a public holiday in Jamaica and the first train ride ever for many Jamaicans. More than 400 people, including children, came out for the experience.
Well, the standard seat for these coaches is like 80 per seat, per coach. And we have 6 coaches, so we could accommodate 6, 8, 48, 480 persons, barring a few missing seats. So for this train, we have sold at least 460 tickets.
But there's a process. People who've purchased a ticket would come to the Spanish Town railway station to collect an armband before entering the train. Now the armband will ensure that they can gain access from Linstead back to Spanish Town. But as you can see behind me, there's a long line of people who've not yet purchased a ticket, only to be disappointed because the tickets are simply sold out.
When I heard it was late, so I rushed to come down here to even just get a ticket. We come to about 15, 16, 17, about 18 tickets, yes, because it's a lot of us. We hear that the tickets are sold out and we still come all the way over here just to find out if we still can get a ticket, and we get left.
After about an hour, the train has arrived at Linstead railway station, where passengers disembark to get refreshments and to be entertained. Now, despite the numerous windows on each side of each coaches, there's one common concern: the punishing heat on the train.
It feels like bringing you back a little bit to the past, right? I like that people are standing outside on the roads, waving their hands, right? Everyone is happy. And then passing through the first tunnel was amazing because everyone was cheering, right? So, yay! Right? It's fantastic. But the air condition is missing, perhaps, but I mean, once you're wet, right?
We just need the train to get a little bit more modernized, keeping with the culture, because the time is hot. We just need a little AC. It's very good, lots of scenery. When we are high above, what is that? What are we there? Flat Bridge. High above Flat Bridge, looking down on the greenery in the water. Oh my God, you guys missed something?
Reporting from a train excursion in Linstead, St. Catherine, I'm Sandy Williams for TVJ News.